Hello, and so as I mentioned, I will be recording a video of my website. So this is my website. As you can see here, this is my home page. There's the conference page where I made the conference call, the free online conference call. These are EDSN 650, special education assessment. So here on my banner is everything I've completed for EDSN 650. So I have my PowerPoint presentation, my PowerPoint lesson, our group lesson, my lesson presentation video, my all document, my final document, and my final document video. So just gonna scroll down here. These are also the quick links in case you want to access them. So I have them in two places just for security purposes. If anything happens, I know where to find them. And just wanted to bring us over here to my videos really quickly. So it takes a while. There's so many things involved on my screen. I have everything open at the same time, but it's okay. Right, so over here, you see down here, just want to keep on going. Okay, I'm scrolling down. Here is my friendly welcome from my talking pet. I had so much fun doing this video. There's also the jigsaw puzzle for kids. So this is a video of me introducing a jigsaw puzzle. This is something we were working on with the teacher. It was the letter F. So I decided to, let me do a jigsaw puzzle with the letter F. So here is my video, my subtraction lesson video. I did that along with my group. So we all worked on this project together on this group lesson. Just want to give everyone that credit. It's not my lesson by myself. We all worked on it and we worked. So it worked out. I think it worked out pretty good. I really liked how we all came and collaborated. So this is our lesson for a subtraction video. This is the IUAP policy. So I always like to go back in my resources page. It's actually there we go. So on this fun stuff, there's a lot of things that you can find. Please excuse my lagginess. All right. So there's a lot of resources that you can find, that teachers can find. It's good for learning. It's good for remote learning as well. And the reason why I brought us to here, it's because this is very non-academic, but there's also other links that you can access just for fun. So in case you want to do a jigsaw planet puzzle for your kids, it's just a fun way to help them with managing the academic side, but it gives them a break. It's a break just for them to cool it down and to relax and to sit back and kind of just step away from the academic environment. All right, everyone, well, this was my video. I hope you liked it. Definitely talk much less on this video, but I really hope you find this informative. I mean, again, Dr. Stein, thank you for everything you've done. This is a great course. I've learned so much within the two semesters, because it was 2 semesters combined, one in the summer and now in the spring. I've learned a lot, and I feel like this is something I could definitely take into the education field, and I really hope that I would be able to use this in the future. All right, well, bye, take care.